Today we're going to be reviewing the Marchway ultralight folding camping chair. We actually purchased this item because we were looking for an ultralight chair to take with us camping and hiking. And so we actually went to REI to test out their chairs that they had in stock. And the big name brand ultralight chairs that we tested out, like Big Agnes, which we absolutely love their product, were just so expensive, like upwards of $150. And we just weren't sure if we'd get that much use out of it. So we started to look into budget-friendly options and came across the Marchway on Amazon. And it had really great reviews and was around the same weight as most of the big name brand ultralight chairs. So we decided to test it out. This is what we think of the Marchway chair after about a year of use. This chair comes with two quick and easy to use pieces. The first is the fabric seating. It is made of ripstop anti-slip nylon, and the second piece is the poles. They are aluminum alloy, which is resistant to corrosion and rust. The poles come attached with elastic similar to tent poles, so you don't lose any of the segments and they just pop right into place. The back of the fabric seating has the pockets that you stick the poles into, and they come reinforced. Once you pop these two parts together, you've got yourself a sturdy, comfy, lightweight chair. When put together, the seat height of this chair is 14 inches. The width of it is 20 inches and the back is 26 inches, and it can hold up to 250 pounds. In the carrying case, it's only 2 pounds and it's 14 by 5 inches. So we got this chair last Christmas and have had the opportunity to use it on many occasions. This chair is super lightweight and compact. It fits pretty comfortably in my 20-liter day pack. It's super easy to put together in just 2 easy steps, and it's actually really comfortable. The mesh backing makes it absolutely perfect for summertime because you keep that airflow on your back. And not only is it great for hiking and camping, but you can use it for pretty much any occasion you need a chair. Let's say cookouts, concerts, pretty much like sitting in your front yard, any occasion really. We really love this chair. It's a wonderful chair and it's definitely earned a spot on many more of our trips. Alright guys, if you'd like to test out this awesome chair for yourself, we're going to leave a link in the description below. This is an affiliate link, so any purchase made through our link will actually send us a small kickback to help support our channel. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that like button. It really helps our channel out. And if you'd like to find your way back here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. Thank you guys for watching. We look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.